Repairable?
Good morning, you guys, and welcome to Allo Fix. I'm Faisal. We've got Ethan here today, and you guys might have seen him on Instagram, TikTok. He's blowing up right now, and we're going to check out some wheels that I have been looking at, which is brought over to us, and see if we can fix them.
It's not looking good. It's not looking good.
Shall we have a look?
Yeah.
Yeah, come. Let's check them out. Oh, wow. You definitely need some tires.
Yeah. So I think they've been tin sprayed.
Yeah. And burnt. Yeah, I don't know what the hell's going on here. What is that? Snakeskin? That's a new pattern for me.
Repairable? Oh no.
It's still a legit wheel. I'm happy.
You're happy?
We'll do it.
Okay.
We'll fix that.
Alright.
I think. We've seen a lot worse.
We've seen a lot, okay. That's fine.
Yeah, it's just been spray painted straight over. Alright, let's get them inside, and what we're going to do is we'll spin up all four of them and check what's going on with them.
Okay.
And we take it from there. So what we're going to do right now is check the wheel. I mean, we can clearly see the wheel's had a knock, but it's time to spin it up to see how bad it really is. Is it a buckle? Is it both buckle and warp? I think we're good to go ahead and start the repair process and let you guys watch it and what we do and how we do it.
So what's first?
What's first?
What do we do now?
Tires off,
Tires off.
straight into the acid dip, strip it down, sandblast it.
Acid dip?
Acid dip it. Yeah, I know, big words. Once we do all that, get all the paint off, sandblast it, get the wheel over to our station where we're going to start straightening it.
That's it.
And that's where you'll see the magic happen.
Right, let's get it.
So this wheel's gone through the acid strip, it's gone through sandblasting. Now we're gonna straighten this wheel. Shall I show you how the buckle looks like? Check that out. But as I said, it's just a normal buckle. A bit bigger than normal, but it's a buckle. So that was the wheel. I think that's the front, or might even be a rear, but it's ready. Check it out. Where's that buckle gone?
It's gone. It is gone. Look up. That's it.
Let's get it powder coated. Who's powdering the wheel like before? You stretch it. Are you powdering them?
Yeah.
No, you ain't. Get out of here. Let me do it. So the wheels for Ethan are all ready. They've been powder coated, they've been lacquered, they've been cured, all the buckles taken out. Check them out. Guys, we've completed the wheels for Ethan. As you're aware, he's doing up that BMW 2 Series, and those wheels were a headache to work with. Have a look. They look pucker now, back on his car. Check out his Instagram, his TikTok, it's linked in the description. And while he was here, we also made him do something special. We made him powder coat a wheel, and he chose this color, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. Well, it doesn't look amazing, he signed it, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. I expected worse from him. So if you want to see this video and what he's done on it and how he's done it, check out our Instagram and you'll be able to check him out doing that.